Have you ever noticed that the way you talk to yourself shapes the way you feel, the way you act, and ultimately, the results you get in life? Imagine if you had a voice in your head that constantly built you up instead of tearing you down. What if you could reprogram your mind for success simply by changing your self-talk? The good news is, you can. In this video, I'm going to show you the power of self-talk, how it affects your confidence, success, and mindset, and give you practical strategies to reprogram your inner voice for unstoppable success. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understanding the science of self-talk. Your brain believes what you tell it most often. That's because of neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to rewire itself based on repeated thoughts and behaviors. If your inner dialogue is filled with negativity, self-doubt, and limiting beliefs, your brain will shape your reality around those thoughts. But here's the exciting part. When you change your self-talk, you literally rewire your brain to think and act in ways that lead to success. The way you talk to yourself determines your confidence, motivation, and even your ability to achieve your goals. Step 2. Identify negative self-talk patterns. Before you can change your self-talk, you need to recognize the negative patterns holding you back. Ask yourself, do I criticize myself constantly? Do I focus on my weaknesses instead of my strengths? Do I talk to myself in a way I would never talk to a friend? Do I assume the worst about situations before they even happen? These thought patterns are limiting you, but once you identify them, you can start replacing them with empowering self-talk. Step 3. Shift from negative to positive self-talk. When a negative thought pops up, don't just accept it, challenge it. Ask yourself, is this true? Is there actual evidence for this? Or is this just fear talking? For example, if you think, I'm not good enough, reframe it to, I am capable and I am always learning and improving. If you catch yourself saying, I always mess things up, shift it to, I learn from my mistakes and grow stronger every time. This simple habit of catching and replacing negative self-talk is a game changer. The more you do it, the more natural it becomes. Step 4. Use affirmations to rewire your mind. Affirmations are not just feel-good statements. When repeated consistently, they reshape your subconscious beliefs. Here are some powerful affirmations you can start using daily. I am confident, capable, and unstoppable. I attract success and opportunities effortlessly. I am worthy of happiness and achievement. I handle challenges with strength and resilience. Every day, I become a better version of myself. Write these down. Say them out loud every morning. Your brain will start to believe them, and soon, you'll act accordingly. Step 5. Visualization. Speak success into existence. Your self-talk isn't just about words, it's about what you see in your mind. Top athletes, CEOs, and high achievers use visualization to program their brains for success. Here's how to do it. 1. Close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your goals. See the details, what you're doing, how you feel, who's around you. 2. Speak about it in the present tense as if it's already happening. Example, I am thriving in my career and making a difference in the world. 3. Repeat this daily. Your brain will start treating these visions as reality, making you more likely to take the actions needed to achieve them. Step 6. Surround yourself with positive influences. Your self-talk is heavily influenced by your environment. If you surround yourself with negativity, your thoughts will reflect that. But when you fill your world with positive people, inspiring books, and empowering messages, your self-talk transforms. Make a conscious effort to spend time with those who uplift you, listen to motivational content, and read books that build your mindset. Your environment shapes your self-talk more than you realize. Step 7. Practice gratitude to shift your mindset. Gratitude changes your inner dialogue. Instead of thinking about what you lack, it makes you focus on what you have. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be big wins or small moments. This rewires your brain to look for the good in every situation. Step 8. Take action. Self-talk without action is useless. Positive self-talk is powerful, but it must be followed by action. If you tell yourself I am confident, but never step out of your comfort zone, the words are meaningless. Confidence is built through action. Set small challenges for yourself daily. Speak up in a meeting, start a conversation, or take on a task you've been avoiding. The more you prove to yourself that your words are true, the stronger your belief becomes. Step 9. Track your progress. Self-talk is a habit, and like any habit, it takes practice. Keep a journal of the negative thoughts you're replacing, the affirmations you're using, and the progress you're making. Look back after 30 days and see how much you've changed. You'll be amazed at how much your confidence and mindset have improved. Step 10. Take the 7-day self-talk challenge. For the next 7 days, commit to practicing one of these techniques each day. Whether it's replacing negative thoughts, using affirmations, visualizing success, or practicing gratitude, just start. Let me know in the comments which technique you're going to try first. I'd love to hear your experience. Self-talk is the foundation of success. Change your words, and you change your thoughts. Change your thoughts, and you change your actions. Change your actions, and you change your life. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more content on mindset and personal growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.